Don't start some shit.
Man, my shit don't even got number 2 on that shit.
I got 15.
Hey, right, no.
Can't even the pack.
They got the sleeve on. He channel.
The linebackers, your eyes in there. Don't give a shit. Y'all, your eyes in there.
Yeah, go y'all boys and go.
Run to the football. Not sideways. Downhill. Don't need that shit. Talking about you got block. That's what they're supposed to do. You're supposed to get around block and go through block. Come on, let's go, man.
Hey, come on, y'all boys. We got to trust each other. Hey, LB's on me. LB's on 3. 1, 2, 3. LB! You busted your tail the whole screen. You offensive linemen. Y'all have banged every single day. Go get a paycheck. Defense. You flew around the whole spring. 6. TJ, go get a paycheck tonight. 6. Go get a paycheck.
Let's go. 6.
Y'all understand me? Yes, sir. Guys, when we walk out of here tonight, I want them guys to be like, Coach, we're not playing y'all no more. You understand me? Yes, sir. Go out tonight and have fun. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Put your damn hat on everything you feel me? Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3.
Can I at least tell him my name, Mr. Rowe? Tell me your name.
Good chatting it up.
Getting it right.
The real number 9 on baseball. It's like it's all good.
Face the block here.
Hey guys, go ahead, shake hands, introduce myself.
I got this.
Here, flip back around this way, guys. One of the good things, you get to play on this beautiful field tonight. This is the official first football game on this field, so it's in really good shape. Let's go out here and have fun. I expect good sportsmanship out of all of you. We're going to play to the whistle, nothing after. If we feel anything that's unsafe, we're going to call that all night, okay? Because my number 1 goal is to get y'all guys back to your moms and dads. For your safety, that's my number 1 goal, all right? So hit them, knock them down, pick them up, do it again, all right? Anybody got any questions?
Yes, sir.
All right, hey, you are the visitors. That's going to be tails, that's heads. Tails, heads. You're going to call it loud enough so 41 can hear it in the air.
Heads.
I'm going to let it drop on the ground. He called.
Heads. You want the ball.
It is tails. You've won the toss. You want the ball, correct? He wants the ball. Which way do you want to kick?
Oh, we want to kick that way.
Go that way.
You want to kick that way. All right, guys, put your backs over here. Put your backs over here.
He's going to kick it. They're going to kick it that way.
Go get that bit. Go get that bit. Let him go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go to the field. There we go.
They don't know what they're doing.
They don't.
Don't know what they're doing. Oh, yeah, VAR.
They're struggling. VAR, you're open. Dude. Why are we doing that? Good kick, Noah. Good kick, Noah.
Get back there.
Get him, Hank. Let's go.
Let's go to Corey. Let's go, team.
Dang, he missed it. The ref. Lay it. Lay it. Go, 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 go.
Come here, watch the tight end.
Two-point conversion is good.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
What you do, boy? Hey!
Let's go, boy. Let's go, Noah! Let's go, Noah! Jammed his ass. He ain't got nothing.
Get him.
Wait, what the? Holding?
What's the call, man?
Lucky!
Shit, KB. Put him on the shit, KB. Put him over here. Bring him over here, KB.
That's not right!
Show us something, KB.
Show us something, KB.
He'll get back. Watch his hip. Yeah.
That's crazy! There's nobody here!
Where? Right here.
Bro!
There you go.
Oh my God, that's to the crib. Oh shit, that's to the crib. That's to the crib. Good done.
Yes, sir! He did. Stay with him! Pow! Back up, DJ! Back up, DJ! KB now!
No, he dropped. He good. Oh, finisher. Wait
Get your hands off of him, boy! Get your hands off of him! A straight run. Steve McNair. Hey, get out my gap! Tell me something. Yeah. Whoa!
K needs to back up too. Here you go, Trey. Come back. Come back. Put a hand on him. Put a hand on him. Put a hand on him, Trey. Back in. There you go. Put your hands up. There you go.
Let's go, Noah. Yep, let go. Get out of that kid. Go ahead, move. Yup. Yup. He got it. He got it.
Last year's now going drum in.
No, you good, man. I don't want you to have to move in your home turf. Some shit over here earlier, yeah. During warm-up. That's why Coach was telling you it's gonna get